अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वर्ड ऑफ नॉलेज में खुशामदीद। पेडागोजी का ये हमारा छठा लेक्चर है, तो आइए अपना लेक्चर स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन 61 है, एट द टाइम ऑफ पार्टीशन इन 1947 देयर वर डैश कॉलेजेस इन वर्किंग। तो देयर वर 40 कॉलेजेस, 40 कॉलेज वर्किंग में थे। एट द टाइम ऑफ पार्टीशन इन 1947 देयर वर डैश यूनिवर्सिटीज in working, only 2 universities were in working. President of Pakistan is the dash in case of federal university. President of Pakistan क्या होता है? Chancellor होता है. Vice Chancellor shall preside at the dash of university in the absence of Chancellor. तो convocation को preside कर सकता है Vice Chancellor अगर Chancellor मौजूद ना हो. A quantitative description of experienced data is a dash management is a simple measurement. Community health agencies should recognize the importance of dash aspect of education, physical aspect of education. In our school and colleges, evaluation of individual readiness for further learning is become a common practice. A nervous or shy child cannot obtain the benefit from his dash experience from his learning experience. Learning to read is a simple activity. The obtaining of thoughts from the written material can be possible through silent reading. A successful practice is the real test of dash achievement, is the real test of learning achievement. It is openly observed that dash involve much more than measurement. Evaluation involves much more measurement. Motivation is the dash purpose of evaluation, is the basic purpose of evaluation. Primary purpose of evaluation is to provide a basic for curriculum revision and curriculum improvement. For both the right answer is C. आपका आंसर C है। ये दोनों के लिए है, revision, curriculum revision और curriculum improvement के लिए, यानी right answer is C. Environments should be main focus in the case of institution. एक institution का main focus environment होना चाहिए, उसका माहौल होना चाहिए. It is dash exercise for complete evaluation of institution. It is costly and time consuming exercise for complete evaluation of institution. Webster dash evaluation has examining and judging the worth, quality, significance, amount, degree or condition of something. तो define, Webster ने define किया, या ये भी आ सकता है सवाल कि who define examining and judging the worth, quality, significance, amount, degree or condition of something. So it is defined by Webster. Who define evaluation as a process of delineating, obtaining and providing useful information for judging decision alternative. ये किसने define किया? स्टेफ बीम ने define किया, a process of delineating, obtaining and providing useful information for judging decision alternative. In educational research, how many styles that are used? 4 style. Educational research में 4 style use होते हैं. The other main dash is the education in a human activity. The other main assumption is that education is a human activity. Which city of Pakistan is called city of college? Lahore. Lahore is called city of college. Reciting of national anthem made compulsory in high school in June 9, 1957. यानी जून 9, 1957 को कौमी तराना कंपलसरी किया गया स्कूलों के अंदर पढ़ना. At the time of partition in 1947, there were dash primary school in working, 8,413 schools. At the time of partition in 1947, there were days technical school and working, only 40 technical school and working. In 1997, how many male teachers were working in Pakistan? 48,676. Who became Vice Chancellor of Punjab University after partition? Dr. Umar Hayat Malik. Who was the first female Vice Chancellor of Pakistan? Dr. Kaniz Yusuf. डॉक्टर कनीज़ यूसुफ पहले फीमेल वाइस चांसलर बने थे पाकिस्तान में, और पार्टीशन के बाद पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी का जो पहला वाइस चांसलर था वो डॉक्टर उमर हयात मलिक था. हु इंट्रोड्यूस द टर्म मेंटल टेस्ट? कैटल. द फेमस एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजिस्ट अल्फ्रेड बेनेट वाज डैश. क्या था? जर्मन था, फ्रेंच था, रशियन था, अमेरिकन था? वो एक फ्रेंच था. The famous education psychologist Terman was an American. An attitude of fair-minded appreciation of its value can be obtained through a consideration of mental. तो mental measurement से. An attitude of fair-minded appreciation of its value can be obtained through a consideration of mental measurement. The first Bennett-Simon test appeared with revision in 1908 and 1911. In America, during World War I, the testing of the intelligence of individual began in group. IQ टेस्टिंग ग्रुप्स में स्टार्ट की गई वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 के बाद दौरान अमेरिका में. Which test represent the tests of abstract intelligence? Language test abstract intelligence को जाहिर करता है. In 1854, which philosopher set up a laboratory to measure human characteristics? Galton. Whose statement was, guidance is the direct relation with the person in whom he is taught to adjust with society? It is the statement of MacDonald. Mother is the dash academy of a child. Mother is the first academy of a child. Society, family, radio and television are the main dash of informal education. Is main center or is the main source of informal education. Realistic education system supports the dash progress, scientific progress. To read the lesson before teaching, it is called lesson plan.